channel. This is the first time of you stopping by. Welcome. My name is Eva, and today I'll be showing you how I achieve this look. Like, this is my everyday look. You could wear it to church, you could wear it to the office, you could wear it to just stay at home. Basically very simple and straight to the point. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please watch till the end. Okay guys, the first thing I used is the Ewaronke face primer. The next thing I used after that is the Rimmel Stay Matte mattifier. It helps me control oil and allows my face to stay matte all day. So you try to blend it in very well. You can either use your hands or a brush, so whichever you want to use works fine. Next thing we'll be doing is applying foundation. So I'm doing this technique foundation before brows, and the foundation I'm using here is the Maybelline Superstay foundation in warm coconut. I guess I would confirm and put the correct one in the description box below. Next thing is applying my concealer in the shade Fawn for my highlights. As you can see, I'm applying it on my T-zones. T-zones being the under of the eyes, the chin, the cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, or the nose of my bridge, I don't know, and then my forehead. So the beauty blender I'm using here is Beauty blender. It's so soft, guys. Oh, it's heavenly. So you make sure you blend properly. After applying my highlights, the next thing I'll be doing is applying my setting powder. And this setting powder I'm using here is a mixture of two setting powders. I mixed Hegai and Esther and I think Fayre Gold, and it gave me this shade, and I think I like it. It's really cool. So it's fine if you actually mix your setting powder, it all comes out the same way. Now contouring my nose, I'm using a dark shade from my powder palette, dark brown shade from my powder palette to contour my nose. The brush I'm using to sculpt my cheekbone is a brush from Mary Kay. I really can't remember the number, but it's a Mary Kay brush. Same thing with the powder shade I used on my nose, and then I'm doing a reverse contour. Still with the same beauty blender I used to apply my foundation and my setting powder all over my face. So I did my eyebrows off camera. I'll try my best to make a detailed video for my brows. Next thing I'm doing is my eyeshadow. I am using two shades from my powder palette. Like, I mixed them and applying on my eyes, so that my eyes don't look like very very bare and all that, just to give it a little bit of color. And that's that. So the eye pencil I'm using for the rim of my eyes is the Mabrook pencil in black. This pencil is really really soft and dark, so I like it a lot. And eyeliner I'm using is also Mabrook eyeliner in black too. It has this very 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 sharp pointy brush, and I like it because it actually goes into my eyelashes, because I have really really curly lashes, and I tend to get lost whenever I'm applying eyeliner. So I actually like this one because it does the job for me. Next thing, the mascara we're using is my OG. Like, this mascara is, I don't know. This mascara is heavenly. It's Zaron mascara, lengthening mascara from Zaron. It's lovely. Like, I don't know how many I've used now. I always go back to it. So what I'm doing now is just dusting off my setting powder using my exact shade of powder from my powder palette. So I'm just dusting off all the places I applied setting powder to, dusting it off. Make sure you're using your exact shade of powder to dust off your setting powder. It kind of helps. Alright, I fixed my lashes off camera, and these lashes I used is from Moteesignature, yes. And it's in the number, wow, I can't remember, but it's really really natural, and it goes with the look I want to present today. So that's why I used it. So I applied more contour to my cheekbones and then on my forehead, just to bring back the warmth to my face. So the lipstick I'll be using today is from the Hushbeauty lip palette, and I just showed you all the nude shades, but then I'm just going to use one, and I also applied my Milani lipstick on top of it, because I think I preferred the Milani, and the Hushbeauty didn't really give me what I want for this look. So I added my Milani lipstick. I am also going to put it down in the description below. So I'm just going to apply powder all over my face, so more like finalized look. So I'm applying a highlighter. This highlighter I'm using is actually an eyeshadow. I'm one of those people that like to use something that's meant for something else. So there's no point in being regular, right? So yeah, I used a gold eyeshadow for my highlights, and I'm using my powder brush to blend in everything together so we don't see any harsh lines. Like, look at that glow. So just to be a bit extra, I added some highlights to my tear ducts. So that step is actually not compulsory. If you don't want to do it, it's fine. And then I'm using the same shade of powder I used for my eyeshadow to smoke the under of my eyes. And then I'm using the same mascara for my lower lashes. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was really helpful. Let me know what you liked about it. So I've come to the end of the tutorial. This whole look is very, 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 very simple, and as you can see, it's very light and you can wear it anywhere, like I said earlier. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment. I will be dropping the list of all the products I used in the description box, so you can actually go there and see them for yourselves. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. That's if you haven't. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.